Good morning, dear students. Welcome back in your computer class once again. In the last week, you have completed your fourth chapter, but still, some 2-3 topics were left as explained by Zeba ma'am. Now, we are going to continue the same chapter, and the topic is changing the chart style. So, you have already learned that if we are having a worksheet, then in MS Excel how we can create the chart. But you all know that how to create the chart, but we can represent the chart in the different styles. So for that we need to follow some steps. Now everyone is requested to open your books and look at there along with the diagram given there. Step number 1 is what? Double click on the chart. That means whose style you want to actually change, you will click on that chart. After that, the design tab opens displaying the chart tool. So when you will click on the chart, automatically the design tab will appear on the top of the screen, as you can see here on the right side of the mobile screen, or you can look at in your book also. Then step number 2 is what? You can click on the more button. You can look at in the diagram here. Step number 2, more button is there. You can click on that, and after that click on the desired style from the gallery that appears. It means when you will click on this more button, look at here in the diagram, see, first step is click the chart. Second step, click on the more button. Look at in your book all the students. And when you will click on the more button, you will get such types of chart styles. So many chart styles are available in front of you now. So you can select any one of these chart style. So step number 3 is click the required style. So suppose I am going to select here this style. It means with the black background and multiple colors are displayed along with the bars. Right? So when you will select it, you can see here your output, that means your chart will look like this along with the black background. Right? So this is how to create a chart style. If you want that your chart should display in any other way, so you can select just like here. Suppose you can select this chart style or in red color or in green color, whatever you feel suitable or comfortable, whichever color you like. So according to that you can select. So I hope this topic is clear how to change the chart style. Moving on to the next here, how to delete the data and text in a chart. Now suppose we are having this chart, and in that we are having three you can say three subjects are coming: English, Maths and Science. And what you want to do is, you don't want to show the data of science. You don't want to show that the bar, ये जो green color का आपका science, ये जो green color आ रहा है ना, actually green color की bar आ रही है, that is used to represent your marks in your science subject. And if you want that the subject of science, that means subject जो आपका science है उसके marks अगर display नहीं हो, तो आप क्या कर सकते हो उस केस में? You can delete the data. अब आप ये कैसे delete करोगे? आप चाहते हो कि chart में भी ये नहीं आना चाहिए. So in that case you will do what? You can see at the background you have created the table, and in that table you are having a column named as science, right? So from that table actually you will delete that column science, and when you will delete that column from the table, automatically the changes will get reflected back to your chart. मतलब आपका क्या होगा, ये जो ग्रीन कलर में आ रहा है ना, ये ग्रीन कलर में आपकी बार शो हो रही है, ये ऑटोमेटिकली क्या हो जाएगी? डिलीट. So this is the only way to delete the data from the chart. और if you want to change something, if you want कि अगर suppose आप किसी की particular science में marks change करना चाहते हो, तो directly chart में it is not possible. So you can change it by editing in the table only. Right? Now next, how to resize and move the chart. So look at here, resize means to change the size. If you want to increase the size of the chart or decrease the size of the chart, so in that case you can do what? To resize a chart in proportion, drag the corner handle on the chart diagonally. Now what is corner handle? Corner handle क्या होता है? when suppose you are having chart like this, आपके पास एक chart है जिसपे something like this data is getting displayed, right? And this chart will come in your box. Is that clear? So when you will take your mouse cursor to any of the corner of the chart, when you will take your mouse cursor to any of the corner of the chart, what you will observe is a plus sign. What you will observe a plus sign, and this is known as your corner handle. जैसे ही आप अपने किसी भी चार्ट के कॉर्नर पर अपना माउस का कर्सर लेके जाओगे, आपका जो कर्सर है वो किस साइन में चेंज हो जाएगा? प्लस साइन में. एंड नाउ यूजिंग दिस प्लस साइन, यू विद द हेल्प ऑफ लेफ्ट माउस बटन यू कैन इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज द साइज ऑफ द चार्ट. So this is how to resize a chart. Next one we are having here, how to move a chart. एक चार्ट को मूव कैसे करते हैं? दैट मीन्स हाउ विल यू relocate a chart from one position to another position. So it is what to move a chart, point anywhere inside a chart. Point anywhere inside a chart and drag it in the required direction. It means अगर आपको कुछ भी चार्ट अगर आपको शिफ्ट करना है एक पोजीशन से दूसरी पोजीशन पे, तो यू विल टेक योर माउस कर्सर ओवर दैट चार्ट, आप उस चार्ट के ऊपर लेके जाओगे एंड यू विल देन क्लिक ऑन द क्लिक विद द लेफ्ट माउस बटन एंड यू विल drag it anywhere at that position where you actually want that chart. I hope it is clear. You can look at here, suppose this chart is given. अगर आपको इसको इस चार्ट को मूव करना है, इस चार्ट को मूव करना है, तो क्या करोगे? अपना माउस कर्सर इस पर लेके जाना, ठीक है, इस पर क्लिक करना, कहीं पर भी इन बिटवीन द चार्ट इस पर क्लिक करना और क्लिक करे रखना और कहीं और लोकेशन पे लेके जाना है, उस पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन पे जाओगे एंड देन यू विल लीव योर माउस कर्सर. लेफ्ट माउस बटन को जैसे ही आप लीव करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये जो चार्ट होगा वो आपको यहाँ से शिफ्ट होके इस पोजीशन पर मूव हो जाएगा. देन नेक्स्ट वन, resize and moving. The last topic of this chapter is how to print a chart. Now print कराने के लिए look at there quickly. Step number 1, 2, 3, 4. Step number 1 is click on the required chart to be printed. जिस चार्ट को आप प्रिंट करना चाहते हो, you will click on that chart, then click on the office button. Now you can see this is step number 2, office button. जहाँ से आप अपनी फाइल्स को सेव करते हो, न्यू फाइल ओपन करते हो, वो होता है आपका ऑफिस बटन. So this is your office button here. Then when you will click on the office button, you will get the option of print. You can see in your book also, print you will get as the option. जैसे ही आप प्रिंट पे क्लिक करोगे, आपके पास क्या होगा? इस तरीके का एक डायलॉग बॉक्स विल गेट ओपन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. दिस इज़ अ प्रिंट डायलॉग बॉक्स. ठीक है, यहाँ से आप अपनी प्रिंटिंग की सेटिंग्स कर सकते हो कि हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ कॉपीज़ आर रिक्वायर्ड और यू वांट दी हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ पेजेस यू आर रिक्वायर्ड एंड सो ऑन. ठीक है, सो मेनी ऑप्शंस वी आर हैविंग टू प्रिंट अ चार्ट एंड आफ्टर गिविंग द कमांड्स इन दैट प्रिंट डायलॉग बॉक्स कि आपको किस तरीके की सेटिंग करनी है, ये सेटिंग करने के बाद आप क्लिक करोगे क्या? ओके बटन पे. लुक एट हियर ऑन द स्क्रीन, दिस इज़ योर ओके बटन. Okay, so when you will click on this, automatically the chart will get displayed. I hope this topic is clear. The chapter is clear to each and every one of you. Now next is your exercise portion, and before that we are having 2 shortcut keys also, that is a very important and will definitely come in your exams. So shortcut keys you have to remember. First one we are having here, Control plus P. CTRL plus P is the keyboard shortcut key to print a chart or worksheet. Okay, so in exam question will come like this कि what is the shortcut key to print a chart or worksheet? So answer will be CTRL plus P. But remember one thing, you will not write there CTRL as this, Control plus P. Okay, the correct answer is CTRL plus P. Either in capital letters you write CTRL or in small letter, it depends on you. But this method is incorrect. You will not write like this, Control. Okay, so print कराने के लिए होता है Control plus P and F. Control plus F2 is the keyboard shortcut key to display the print preview of a chart. Print preview means what? Print preview का मतलब क्या होता है कि if you are going to print your chart, so before actually printing it, you want to see that how your chart will look like when it will get printed on the paper. अगर आपको ये देखना है, आपको कोई चार्ट प्रिंट करना है एंड आप देखना चाहते हो कि आपका चार्ट किस तरीके का दिखेगा एक्चुअली जब आप प्रिंट करोगे, सो दैट इज़ नोन एज योर प्रिंट प्रीव्यू, राइट. सो अगर आपको प्रिंट प्रीव्यू देखना है, सो यू कैन प्रेस द की Control plus F2 and you can see the preview of the chart. So here we are having 2 important shortcut keys and you can note down these shortcut keys in your copy also, so that because in your exams also nobody open the books, I know, so it is good practice if you will write a shortcut key in your copy itself along with the question answers. So here your chapter is over. Now moving on to our fill in the blanks in MCQs here. So open your book, take out your pencil. So first one is, Excel automatically creates a chart if we select the cells and press. So if I want to create a chart using shortcut key, so I am having the shortcut key as F11. So first answer is F11. Second answer, a bar chart displays the comparison among individual items. This is the second answer, items. Third one, design tab, layout tab and format tab contain many chart. Answer is tools. Third answer is tools. Fourth, Excel chart and data are interconnected. So on the top side, match it again. 3, 4, 2, 1 is the right answer. Right? Moving on to the fill in the blanks. A pictorial representation of numeric data is called chart. Next, all the chart types are divided into a number of subtypes. जितने भी चार्ट होते हैं उसके फर्दर क्या होते हैं, सब टाइप्स. There are ways to create a chart in Excel. How many ways are there? 2 ways are there. And what are those 2 ways? First is by using shortcut key and second is by following the steps, यानी कि just like you click on the insert and then you will click on the chart like that. So 2 ways are there. Fourth question, to create a chart in MS Excel, we have to select the cells, a table to provide data for the chart. So answer is within. Okay. फर्स्ट आई थिंक फोर्थ क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्लियर होगा आई होप. एंड क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग ये है एक्चुअली कि अगर हमें कोई चार्ट क्रिएट करना है MS एक्सेल में, तो हम जब डेटा को सिलेक्ट करते हैं टेबल के अंदर, हम क्या करते हैं, जनरली वी मेक वन टेबल लाइक दैट. ठीक है, तो हमने यहाँ पे अपना सपोज नेम दिया है, यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट 1, सब्जेक्ट 2, सब्जेक्ट 3. तो इफ़ आई वांट द चार्ट फॉर दिस टेबल, सो व्हाट शुड आई डू, हमें क्या करना होता है, इस टेबल का डेटा सेलेक्ट करना होता है जो इस टेबल के अंदर लिखा हुआ है. तो इस टेबल के अंदर का जो डेटा है, दैट मीन्स विद इन दिस टेबल वी हैव टू सिलेक्ट दोज डेटा विच इज़ रिटन विद इन दिस टेबल to create a chart. So answer is, that's why within. Now moving on to our very short, firstly we are having oral questions. What is a bar chart? Answer is on page number 47 according to the old book I am having right now. So according to that, 47 is their page number. What is bar chart? So open your book. I will show you the answer also. If your page number is changed, then you can write it. Match your answer. Here is the answer for bar chart. Maybe page number can be changed, but answer is what? A bar chart displays the comparison among individual items. This is the complete answer here. And no need to give any heading. You will write the question and directly give the definition. Don't give heading there. Right? Wait for a while. Now next question is, how is a column chart different from a line chart? Answer is on page number 46. Open page number 46. Write the answer there. Difference you have to write. So firstly you give the heading as column chart. In your answer, give the heading as column chart and write the full answer there for column chart. After writing this, in the next line you will give the heading as line chart, and line chart में you will mark from this to this, that means up to equal intervals. Heading is must because you have to differentiate and cut this line. Now next question. Next question is, of which feature is value axis a component of? वैल्यू एक्सिस जो होता है वो चार्ट में किसका कंपोनेंट होता है? सो आंसर इज वर्टिकल एक्सिस ऑफ द चार्ट. राइट द आंसर. वर्टिकल एक्सिस ऑफ द चार्ट. वर्टिकल एक्सिस, AXIS, vertical axis of the chart. Now next question. How is a chart in MS Excel created? Page number 49. Complete answer, first paragraph of the page. Whatever is visible to you, everything is the answer of this question. Charts can be created in the existing worksheet or as an object in separate sheet in the current workbook using information present in rows and column of a worksheet. Mark up to worksheet. Without any heading, complete definition only you have to write there. Now next question. List one advantage of presenting data in form of chart. Answer is on page number 45. Look at here. Second paragraph, charts. यहाँ पे आपको लिखा हुआ है second paragraph की third line and it is given there these. Now cut this word these and write there charts. Charts are easier to understand and have a long lasting impression on the mind. This is the answer. Cut these and in place of these write there charts. Next question. Name the shortcut key to print a chart or worksheet. Answer is Control plus P. CTRL plus P. Next, third. Name the shortcut key to show print preview of a chart. Answer Control plus F2. Short answer questions. Name the components of a chart in MS Excel. Name the components of the chart in MS Excel. Answer is on page number 46. Look at here. Main components of a chart. यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? Main को cut करना है. Cut this word main. You have to write from components. Components of the chart. Include को cut करके write it R. Components of the chart are, R के बाद you will put one dash sign and then move on to the next line and there you will write point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, like this you will write the answer as plot area, value axis, category axis, data points, then the next one is chart, then chart area and legend. This is the complete answer here. Next question. Name different types of chart in MS Excel. Name different types of chart in MS Excel. So you have to only mention the names. So you can come on page number 46 and 47. From here you can write the name. First is column chart. Second is line chart. Next, pie chart, bar chart, only the names, no need to give anything else. Bar chart, area chart and scatter chart, other chart. Only heading from page number 46 and 47. Next question. Explain various types of chart that can be created in MS Excel. Page number 46 and 47 again. Give the heading. You can write different types of charts are. Firstly, from the question you can write different types of charts are. After writing this, you will come to the next line and there you will give the heading column chart. Column chart heading देने के बाद में आपको ये full लिखना है. Then you will come to the line chart, give the heading line chart. Line chart में आपको क्या करना है? A से लेकर up to equal intervals. Along with diagrams also. Diagrams भी आपको बनाने हैं. Right, and diagram में it is optional to put the colors. If you want, you can color it, otherwise there is no need. You can simply make the diagram from the book. ठीक है. So first is column chart, second is your line chart, then move on to the next one, pie chart. Pie chart में you will write a pie chart displays the data in a comparative manner up to here. Then bar chart full you will write. Then is your area chart full, scatter chart full, and other chart full. That means heading also you have to give along with the full definition with proper diagram. Next, write down the steps to change type and style of a chart in Excel. Page number 50. Look at here on the very top second line, to change लिखा हुआ है. to change, from here you will write 2 का T capital. To change the chart style using the design tab, step number 1, double click the chart, we can see the design tab opens up to here. ये आपको कट करना है आगे. Step number 2 full you have to write. Step number 3 full. Step number 4 full. This is to change the chart style. Then in the next line, ये आपको फिर नहीं लिखना है, cut this line. Then in the next line you will give the heading change the chart style. ठीक है. You will give the heading change the chart style. Then you will write we follow these steps to change the chart style. Step number 1, double click on the chart up to here only, first point. Step number 2 is full and step number 3 is also full. So सिर्फ step number 1 आपका छोटा हुआ है, step number 2 और 3 full है, and no diagram, nothing. So this answer is completed and that was in your long answer. So that's why it's little bit lengthier. Last question, long answers. Write down the steps to resize, move and print a chart in Excel. Page number 52. Here's the answer. Point this to resize a chart. There is the heading resize and moving charts. वहाँ पे आपको लिखना है. First आप heading में भी लिख सकते हो, directly जैसे लिखा हुआ है same as it is you can write. You can give here point number 1 to resize a chart in proportion, drag the corner handle on the chart diagonally. Then point number 2 you can give this to move a chart complete direction तक. Then you can write 3 here. Point number 3 to print a chart. ठीक है, या फिर printing a chart. As a heading you can give in point number 3 में. समझ आ रहा है? आई थिंक पॉइंट नंबर 1 देना है, पॉइंट नंबर 2 देना है, पॉइंट नंबर 3 जब आप दोगे तो उसके अंदर हेडिंग देना है प्रिंट अ चार्ट और फिर लिखोगे वी फॉलो दीज स्टेप्स. ठीक है. और अदरवाइज इट्स बेटर टू कट दिस, अदरवाइज it will be little bit lengthier, so cut this line. Okay, only give the heading print a chart and then write step number 1 2 3 4 full up to here. Click on OK button. Long answers complete. Now here is your assessment C. All the other things which I told you today that you have to do in your copy, leaving your fill in the blanks in MCQ, that you can leave, it will be in your book itself, but all the types of question answers you have to do in your copy. And if we talk about this assessment C exercise, so this is also no need to do in your copy, leave it in your book itself. So this is your match the following. Charts are given and on one side names are given and you have to match it. So if I talk for the first one, so first one आपका कौन सा है? This is known as your column chart, right? So you can match it and write here point number 1. this is your column chart. If you look at the second, this is your line chart. ठीक है, 2. Then third one, here you can give 1, this is 2, this side is 3, then your 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, now you have to match it. So look at for the third one. This third one is what? Look at here, third. This is your pie chart. Match here. Coming to the next right side, this is your area chart. You can write it here 4. This is your 3. ठीक है, this is your 4 area chart. And then talking about this, it is your scatter chart. Mark it here, point number 5. Then the last one is what your, the last one is your bar chart. Look at here, this one is your bar chart, 6 point. Okay, so here we have completed our chapter number 4, that is charts. Right, now in the next class we will discuss the next chapter. So on Friday, 3rd period, your combined class will be there of 8th ABC, and you have to come on time. So that's all for today. We will meet next time. Thank you.